late model luxury at Unique, especially in classics. 2021 Cadillac Escalade ESV, four-wheel drive, Sport Platinum Edition. Take a look at the front grille, fascia. Carfax shows a one-owner vehicle. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles right now, just a tad over 26,000. That may vary some. The boss driving it occasionally. Check out all the still pictures. Be able to see the engine bay interior. I got a picture of the window sticker there also, so you can see exactly how this is equipped, and I'll get into some of that here in just a bit. UniqueClassicCars.com, or just call us 507-386-1726. Color of this, shadow metallic. Interior is whisper beige with Gideon inserts. Cool color combination. Of course, all the modern amenities that you're going to get on an Escalade and then some. And here are the added options on this vehicle. It does have Super Cruise, also night vision, cooled console, heavy duty trailering package. I believe the 1SH package if you look on the window sticker. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist with transportation. And once again, take your time looking through all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a little peek in the back here. Of course, your two flat screens. Headphones are right along with those also. Seating surfaces, all good shape. Take a look at the front. There's your exact miles too, 26,191 at the moment. Like I said, that may vary a little bit. Consult with a sales associate if you call in. Like I said, boss drives it occasionally. Again, seating areas. Nice condition. Or steering wheel controls, and again, all your amenities you're going to get on an Escalade. ESV, especially with the Platinum Sport Edition. I'll fire this up for you in a second.
In the Cougars to state, and again, 11 and 6 Thursday for East on the Fan from Caswell Park. Section 2 baseball.
Slip around the back so you at least hear it run too. I'm going to take a peek under the hood we can. 6.2 liter, of course, 10-speed automatic transmission. Hasn't been modified. It's going to sound as you'd expect. See if we can get this one-handed here. If I can find the release. Clean and tidy under the hood. What you'd expect, again, 6.2 liter. Everything functioning as it should. 2021 Cadillac Escalade ESV, four-wheel drive, Sport Platinum Edition, clean Carfax, actual miles. 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2021 Cadillac Escalade. Very nice, very quiet, luxurious vehicle. Let's see how she does on the highway. For a big vehicle, it really gets up and goes. Definitely got some power. So easy to drive. You get your shifter right on the center console. leather all throughout the interior. Touch screens for nearly everything. We have a volume knob right here.
I mean, I give Miami a lot of credit from a coaching
for an excellent sounding stereo system. Letting go of the wheels, she stays nice and straight in the lane. Brakes work excellent. Very comfortable. I'm up nice and high. You can see everything just like a pickup truck for height. Corners well. Doesn't lean in the corners much. There's that power again. We have a heads-up display giving us our speed on the windshield. Take a look at all the pictures. Check out all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.